The 3 biggest mistakes new affiliates make and how to avoid them. Welcome y'all to video 3 in the Keye Academy series of how to make $500 a day. Video 3, the 3 biggest mistakes new affiliates make and how to avoid them. In this lesson, we will be discussing a strategic, high-value follow-up from our last video that helps you build trust, prevent beginners burnout, and position you in the program as the solution to common pitfalls that every affiliate makes. Congratulations on making it to video 3, which has been designed to rescue frustrated beginners who tried affiliate marketing, got stuck, and are about to quit. It's an empathetic and educational video, and it suddenly shows that why that we consistently encourage you that having a proven system with mentors and coaches and done for you assets is the shortcut that you need to being successful in affiliate marketing. Welcome to the Keye Academy channel. Now let's start with the video. You have been here since video 1. You followed our tutorials. You followed posted the content, and you even used the worksheets and the funnels that are in the description areas. But crickets, no clicks, no sales. Didn't he say made $100? No. I said I made a video on how I made my first $100. You know, I know what it sounds like. But don't quit. You didn't fail, but you probably made one of the 3 fatal mistakes that 95% of new affiliates make in their first trial. And the good news is that these mistakes are fixable, and by the end of this video, you will have a way to fix them and continue to make sales in the next 24 hours. In this video, I'll show you exactly what the mistakes are and how our Keye Live students, I've been able to bypass these 3 mistakes completely by being in a live coaching strategy session and having the support.
For more awesome content, like and subscribe now.
So starting with mistake 1, chasing virality. Instead of consistent, most beginners think, I just have to go viral one time and my offer will blow up, right? So they spend hours editing one perfect video. They post it once. They wait some time. But the truth is that affiliate marketing rewards consistency, not perfection. One of our top learners don't rely on viral hits to be successful. They post 3 short videos every day for 30 days straight. So I know you wonder why they do that. It's because algorithms reward frequencies, not friends. And buyers need to see your offer 3 to 7 times before they click. So start building momentum, one simple post at a time. Mistake 2, promoting the wrong offer. All this from going at it alone. You find a affiliate link, you post it, no sales. And why? Did you not think it would be just that easy? Not all offers convert for beginners. And high ticket sales and courses requires trust, and complex software needs to have demos and demonstrably. But beginner-friendly offers, they sell themselves almost. You will want to look for offers that, first of all, it pays you fast, using PayPal in 7 days. You want to offer that allow you built-in demand, like digital planners and custom mugs, so that you can focus a micro niche, using an inside joke or something that's only known in a small community for yourselves. And then thirdly, you want to offer to work for short form videos so that you consistently post short videos and using videos for under 30 seconds using the links in my bio method. So one of our students promoted a $27 anxiety relief planner on ClickBank. She used the script, "Struggling to sleep. This planner helped me calm my mind in 5 minutes." The link is in my bio. That was it. Posted 3 times every day for a week. Made $189.
For more awesome content, like and subscribe now.
But because the offer was ready to sell itself. Mistake 3. Going at it alone. This is the silent killer to every single business or a person that's ready to begin a business. Right? They try something, it failed. It makes you very frustrated. You either try Googling why this ain't working. You get 100 conflicting answers. And then you're ready to quit. Google is not a professional mentor, nor is it a consistent coach that's there with you in the ring, encouraging you and telling you the right thing at the right time. Real growth happens in communities of coaching. And inside of Keye Academy, 2 weeks know the mastermind group. That's where you're not alone. That's where you need to be when trying to complete this. If you're stuck on the capture, you can post it inside the group. You're confused on your tracking or anything that's analytics, your mentor replies to you in 24 hours. You make your first sale. The group is ready to celebrate you. See, accountability is key, not optional, but it is essential. And that's why we encourage you to complete this Keye Bootcamp training completely and take full advantage of everything that we have to offer to get you through this.
ClickFunnels proudly sponsors today's episode. When creating an automated income stream, tech hurdles often slow you down. You have the product and offer. But what about combining a landing page builder, email service, checkout system, and membership area? That's overwhelming. It can drain your budget, complicate your efforts, and halt your progress. That's why I choose ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is more than just a website builder. It serves as the foundation for your automated income. It empowers you to create high-converting sales funnels, specific pages designed to convert strangers into customers, without any coding knowledge. Whether you're marketing a print-on-demand item, a digital course, or a SaaS subscription, ClickFunnels provides templates, checkout integration, and email automation, all in one platform. Stop juggling 5 subscriptions that fail to sync. Start constructing a cohesive system that functions seamlessly. If you're ready to streamline your tech setup and convert visitors into income, click the link in the description below. Initiate your free trial with ClickFunnels today. This link also helps support our channel and keeps these valuable insights coming. So, don't miss out. Build your first funnel and watch your traffic turn into profits. Let's return to the lesson.
If you're shooting to join us in our live Keye course, of course, you will automatically avoid these 3 mistakes. Right? From day 1. But to get on Keye Academy learning, earning, scaling, and continuous learning path, you will want to start with our Keye Academy Bootcamp training program. You do this by clicking the link in the description where you will be on either our Keye Academy official website or our visionary platform. From there, you click the button at the very top of the page, of any page of the platform. It takes you to a form. The form tells you to fill them out. So you fill that form out. There's very little information there, like your name, email address, phone number, and that's it. And it will take you directly to the bootcamp training, where you will complete the training, and then at the end of that process of completing the training, you will have an opportunity to join a community where you can create your own 2 weeks notice mastermind group. So you complete morning check-in periodically. Just do it. That will make you active with our mentors, and it will put a coach on your trail. So you complete our courses with support that you need. That's it. No cap, no fluffing around. You'll never be overwhelmed by this. You can do Keye Academy. All this can come at any spare time that you have. You don't got to be on at any certain time, but it's all in your control. Your clear path to financial freedom is forward. We've seen how students reverse their results in under 10 days. Wasn't making any money for 3 weeks. Mentors told them to pivot. That's not working. So try a ClickBank planner offer. Posted it consistently with 30-second videos. Made $122 in 5 days. Unbelievable. Another student was chasing virality. He thought, like a lot of people think, all I got to do is just one viral video and my offer is going to go through the roof. Well, as time kind of go by, it wasn't happening. Family wanted to pivot. Family made them self-coachable. Some people don't want to be coachable. They don't want to listen. They think what they got and, what they can find is going to be better. Because they can find, why pay for mentorship? I can just get all the advice. No, it just ain't advice. It just ain't advice. If you had listened, then your results would have came, but family did it and made $500 and within the month. Family make themselves coachable. Your breakthrough isn't about working harder. More hours, get overtime, time and a half, but that time can be easily fixed in the system. I've been a manager long enough to know that, but they can fix your time. Very tricky for what they do, but working smarter with the right system. That's what it's about. So if you're ready to skip the fluff, skip the struggle, click the link in the description. Start your learning path today. You'll be well on your way with free mentorship, free courses, and joining a community 2 weeks notice mastermind group to do and to fix any problem that you're having in your life. It just ain't about what your business. The console is about your life. We even have the Console Academy also. It's available on our platform. You go and you fix this by becoming a VIP on Keye Academy platform. Everybody's a VIP. It don't matter if you're taking a free course, you're a VIP. Right? You're completing the boot camp training, you're a VIP. Complete that morning check-in period. And if you're trying to join one of our live courses, we offer only 5 participants at a time. But allow us to acknowledge that you are trying to get in so we can fit you in a slot. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start with a message. Follow the learning path. Take the boot camp training. And believe it or not, your first $100 is right around the corner. I made my first $100. So we'll see you in the next video.